Hi there, and welcome back to Belleville Toyota. I'm Bronwyn, and in today's video, I will be showing you the safety features on your Toyota vehicle. These features will, of course, vary depending on the model year, trim line, and the generation of Toyota Safety Sense that corresponds to your vehicle. Your vehicle may have some or all of these safety features. All of your safety features are located on the multi-information display screen, which is the screen in front of the steering wheel. To get to the safety features, we will have to rotate down or across to the settings icon, which looks like a little gear. We will be using these arrows, the OK button, and the back button on your steering wheel to rotate through the different safety features. Firstly, we have the lane departure alert. The symbol looks like a vehicle drifting out of its road lanes. If you are driving over 50 kilometers an hour and your vehicle detects lines on the road, if you then sway over the lines unintentionally, the vehicle will alert you with an audible and visible alert, and in vehicles with steering assist, it will also steer correct you back to be in the middle of the lane. For those who have lane tracing assist, you will also have the additional feature of lane centering, which uses radar technology to determine the path of a preceding vehicle, as well as lines on the road, to help you stay in the center of your lane. There is an instruction on the screen to click and hold OK to be able to adjust the settings within the lane departure alert. If we click and hold this OK button on the steering wheel, you will get to the detailed settings screen where you can then rotate through the features and adjust the sensitivity of the lane departure alerts. You will also be able to see which features you have on your exact model. You will notice at the bottom it will always show you whatever instruction is required to make those adjustments, and in the corner, it displays the back arrow that you will push to get out of that submenu. The back arrow is located right by your OK button on your steering wheel. The next feature is called PreCollision System. It is on right now. If you pressed OK once, it would turn the system off and display an icon on the front dash indicating that the feature is disabled. Simply click OK again to turn the feature back on. If you then click and hold OK, you will be able to adjust the sensitivity of this feature. This feature alerts you audibly and visibly if it senses you might get into a collision. It may also apply brake pressure to help avoid or minimize a collision. Let's press the back arrow on your steering wheel to get out of this submenu and onto the next feature. This feature is one of the newest and is available only on the brand new models. It is called Curve Speed Reduction, and it's for the dynamic radar cruise control. By clicking and holding the OK button on your steering wheel, you can then set the sensitivity of the radar technology to reduce the speed automatically as you are turning on curves and corners of the roads while you are using radar cruise control. Press the back arrow again to exit the submenu once you are done adjusting. Now we have the blind spot monitor. This is another feature that we can simply turn on and off by pressing OK. If you click and hold OK, you will be able to adjust the brightness and sensitivity of the sensors. These sensors are the car icons on both of your side mirrors that illuminate orange when vehicles are in your blind spot. Let's press the back arrow to get out of the submenu again. This P icon represents your intuitive parking assist feature. You can turn this feature on and off by clicking OK, and you can detail the settings by clicking and holding the OK button. This feature alerts you audibly and visibly if you are approaching an object at either the front or the back of the vehicle. The audible alerts will increase frequency the closer you approach the obstacle. In this case, you can adjust the volume of the alerts using the settings menu. Let's go back to our original menu and press the right arrow, and you'll be taken to the second part of the settings menu screen. The first feature on this screen is your rear cross-traffic alert. Similar to the other features, press OK once to turn this feature on and off, and click OK to detail the settings. This feature is to alert you audibly and visibly as you are backing up if there is another vehicle approaching your rear field. The next feature is your parking support brake function. There are typically no further detailed settings other than turning this feature on and off by clicking OK. This feature will apply brake pressure if you are approaching objects or obstacles too close while parking. This tends to be the only feature that may need to be shut off if you have bike racks or something like that on the back of your vehicle, so just keep that in mind. The next one, HUD, is your heads-up display. Driving information is reflected on the front windshield for the driver to see. Once again, click OK once to turn the feature on and off, and click and hold OK to get to this detailed settings. For this feature, you can adjust the position and brightness, what information is available, and any rotation angle you would prefer. Click the back arrow button to get out of those settings again. The last two settings submenus in our list are a little bit more generalized. The first is Vehicle Settings. Click and hold OK to view the settings. From here you can adjust your automatic liftgate settings, your tire pressure sensors, your rear seat reminders, which come on each time you turn the vehicle off to remind you that you may have children or pets in the back seat. And of course you have the option to reset your maintenance reminder on the vehicle as well in this menu. Let's go back and check out the final settings menu, which is the meter settings. Click and hold OK to adjust the language, units, electric vehicle mode icon if you have a hybrid, digital speed you can turn on and off, and all sorts of other options for you to decide what kind of information is displayed on the screen for the driver. At the very bottom, you can also turn your multi-information display completely off if you'd like, or revert any changes back to default settings. So again, you are using the 4 arrows, the OK button, and the back arrow button on your steering wheel to rotate through all of these menus. And those are all the safety and vehicle features that are accessible through the settings menu of your multi-information display. Please continue to consult your owner's manual or toyota.ca for further information about your vehicle's safety features. I'm Bronwyn from Belleville Toyota. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you in the next video.